So cute, Delaney, thank you. And it actually leads into our next interview quite nicely, because tomorrow is Maternal Health Awareness Day, highlighting the importance of maternal health and efforts to reduce maternal mortality rates. Joining us now is the Director of Nutrition Services at TrueCare, Joanne Gallagher, with how the organization is working to create a healthier start of life for moms and babies. Good morning, Joanne. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Well, let's talk first about some of the challenges we see specifically with new moms and babies and what we're dealing with as a community.
Gotcha. So some of the challenges that moms face is really just getting services started and access to care, right? So oftentimes moms are kind of wondering what's out there, and moms are struggling to find what's available, which is nice because at TrueCare we are really focused on whole person care and servicing mom through the spectrum of services we provide.
So are these typically moms that are having challenges breastfeeding or knowing just educationally what they should be doing with this brand new life? I mean, what specifically are we seeing in our community?
It can be a wide gamut of things, just like what you mentioned. Just again, access to care can be a barrier. Again, understanding, knowing what to do now. Babies aren't, we're not given manuals of what to do when baby is born. And so again, finding out and yeah, so.
I mean, it is. I always say I wish it did come with a manual, but that's specifically what TrueCare does, right? And you're especially meeting the needs of maybe an underserved community and trying to give them those resources in order to make sure that everybody gets that healthy start.
That's correct. And so at TrueCare, we're a whole person centered care. So it starts with maternal health, leading through pregnancy support, adding on to services such as WIC, as well as pediatrics. So providing lactation services, providing education, providing nutrition support, again with the WIC department.
And how can people find out more information and what services they might be eligible for?
Yeah, so you can go directly to truecare.org. There you'll find a list of all of the services that we provide, as well as the contact information.
And are you only serving a certain portion of the population? What qualifications do there need to be?
So we serve the community regardless. So again, we really focus on breaking down barriers and increasing access regardless of insurance and ability to pay.
Are there certain challenges that we see here more in San Diego than say other parts of the country?
Well, I think again it's just all about access, right? And so part of the challenge is access. With rising food costs, programs such as WIC really help to offset so that families can thrive, moms and babies can thrive, as and get the education and support that they need.
Is it a challenge for TrueCare to reach out to the community just to let people know that there are services there available if you need them?
Well, that's why I'm here, is to use platforms such as this to increase awareness. And so we're constantly, again, out in the community, raising awareness, engaged in community events so that we can ensure that we're meeting people where they are to let them know about the services that we provide.
I mean, it's really important for people who think they may not be able to make it as a new mom, maybe a single mom, a young mom, or dealing with certain challenges, that there are services available to help you through that, right? And this is a day we want to make sure that everyone knows what's available.
Right, and so we want to use, again, the platform to raise awareness. Services that we've added on at TrueCare include like our doula services, which launched in 2024, which was really tied at breaking down the ethnic and racial disparities in maternal health outcomes. And what we know is, again, just like with the WIC department and the services that we provide, that it improves maternal engagement, improves mom's ability and just knowledge, confidence. It builds confidence in raising healthy families.
All right, well, I know there are locations throughout San Diego, so I know you can go to TrueCare's website and find out all that information as well.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks, Jim, I appreciate it. All right, we're going to take a quick break. We'll be right